Hey, Luke here at Bish's RV. I wanted to show you this beach, Georgetown by Forest River. Now, this one is the 33B3, and it's 34 feet and 6 inches long. This is a big, beautiful gas Class A motorhome. This actually comes with 2 bedrooms, so this one goes down and turns into a bed up front. You can actually sleep 8 people in here, so the dinette and the couch both turn into beds. Big 16 cubic foot refrigerator. Got your TV, your entertainment center right here. And this one's a 2024. So, almost new. Yep, she is a beauty. The rear bedroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Can still walk through even with all the slides closed. Winterized right now, as it is about 5 degrees outside last I saw, so a little bit chilly, but come on up to Bish's RV, take a look at this one.